Now we're ready to go ahead and work on getting the cortido ready for the pupusas. So the ingredients you're going to need, it's really easy, it's fun, simple to do, no big deal. The ingredientes necesarios para esta receta es, you're going to use crushed peppers, chili secos, I'm thinking double here, vinagre manzana or apple vinegar, sal or salt, oregano mexicano, zanahorias, repollo, cebolla, cabbage, onions, or you can go ahead and use a bag that's already got the cabbage and the carrots in it. It just doesn't have the onions, so we can add that after. Or puede agregar cebollas después con este. Ahora vamos a preparar los ingredients. Okay. So we're going to start with your carrots. You're just going to grate them. I'm going to do 3 fresh carrots. And you want to make sure they're sweet. Like try them, take a little nibble. If it doesn't taste sweet, don't use it. Because the sweetness really makes a difference with the carrots. Just going to grate them off. Okay. Going to do all 3, but I already got some ready for you guys right here. I know you don't want to watch me all day do everything. And then the cebolla, I'm just going to julienne it. You can always add, if you want more carrots, more onions, you can change it how you want. What your flavor is, what you like. Okay. I'm going to use half the cabbage. You're just going to do it nice. And then in a minute, we're going to put the cabbage in some hot water. So if you want, you can go ahead and stop and get some water heating up on your stove. And then when we get all our ingredients ready, we'll put it in the hot water. Alright, got my cabbage all ready to go here. So now we're going to put it in the hot water like I said. El agua está hervida y la estufa ha apagado. So go ahead and turn the stove off now. We're going to add the cabbage. Ya regamos el repollo por 3 minutos. And we're going to stir this for 3 minutes, and then we're going to drain the water off. This just helps soften the cabbage so that it will season up better. Just for 3 minutes, then we're going to drain it off. Ahora agregamos y mezclaremos los ingredientes. Now we're going to go ahead and mix our ingredients into the cabbage repollo. We're going to do 1 small teaspoon of the chilies, un cuchara pequeño de chilies. We're going to use half a cup of the apple cider vinegar, una media taza de vinagre, un cuchara grande de sal, a tablespoon of salt, un cuchara pequeño de oregano, 1 small teaspoon of oregano, and un taza de agua, 1 cup of water. And of course, add the onions and carrots. And the oregano and chilies or jalapenos, you can add them, if you want more flavor, add more. It's always up to you. Everybody has a little different preference. And a cup of water. I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up. I already have the carrots and onions. I love cooking, you guys. It smells so good. I love Cortido. I'm not gonna lie, I put Cortido and salsa on lots of things. I love it for breakfast with eggs and homemade refried beans and French bread and sour cream and fresh cheese. Me gusta Cortido con mis desayunos, con huevos, frijoles fritos, pan francés, crema, queso fresco. Qué rico. And the salsa and the Cortido, guys, now that you've learned how to make it, this will go with tamales, Salvadoran turkey, lots of different dishes. Once you know this, you're good to go. You know an important side dish. Looking good. Smelling yummy. What do you guys think? You like it? Does yours smell as yummy as mine? It's making me hungry, actually. I'm so excited. We're making these together, you guys. You're so gonna impress someone. And the best thing about making all the ingredients at home, you can eat pupusas whenever you want. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, in between, midnight snacks, lunchies, whenever you want. You don't have to look for a restaurant. You got it all at home. There's our salsa and there's our Cortido.